This is a project file for DIALux, a professional lighting design tool. It calculates light distribution. You need the software to view the room data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify the lighting. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the ELD file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. An ELD file is associated with both DIALux lighting design software and LiDAR, light detection and ranging data. In DIALux, it stores lighting project data, including luminaire placement, room geometry, and lighting calculations. In the context of LiDAR, it may contain processed point cloud data or related information derived from LiDAR scans. When used with DIALux, the ELD file contains structured data representing the lighting design project. This includes information about light sources, surfaces, and calculation results. For LiDAR, the ELD file might store processed point cloud data, such as elevation models or feature extractions, often in a proprietary format specific to the LiDAR system or processing software. DIAL endorses DIALux as the main tool for handling ELD files. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows offers only top-level details, so proper interpretation depends on the correct application. Your first step toward a working file. Right-click the ELD file and select Open With. If DIALux is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. If the ELD file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because the ELD format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, use DIALux. Open the file using DIALux, the required application for the lighting simulation project. Next, check version. Ensure your DIALux version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, check dependencies. Ensure all associated luminaire files referenced by the project are present. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.